This video will cover the automatic discovery feature available in the Infraon Infinity suite. This discovery refers to the automated process of identifying and cataloging IT assets and configuration items within an organization's infrastructure, all done without manual intervention. It typically uses specialized software tools to scan the IT environment, collect data, and populate asset repositories or configuration management databases. Let's delve into the steps to add an automatic discovery. During automated discovery, one must provide a profile name, which is a mandatory field. There are 3 types of discoveries that can be processed here: discovery only of inventory information, discovery of inventory with availability monitoring, and discovery of inventory with availability and performance monitoring. Users can choose the option for discovery as per the requirement. Now, input an IP address manually or import multiple IP addresses from a CSV file. Let's proceed with the IP address option. Input the IP address that needs to be discovered. Next, select the device credentials. Any device credentials added in previous sessions will appear in the drop-down menu. Automatic discovery will support only SSH, SNMP, and WMI protocols. Let's select the SNMP profile for this example. Clicking on the pick, Data Collector will display a list of data collectors that have been installed previously. Choose the data collector from which the discovery needs to be performed. After selecting, click on the Next option. On the following page, users will encounter some filter options, such as filtering by ping or for ping monitoring. Ensure that these 2 settings are enabled when performing all the discoveries. Infraon provides other filters as well, such as device filters. By clicking on Show Details, users can include or exclude IP addresses. When inputting a range of IP addresses, like 20 to 50, and wish to exclude certain IPs, users can specify those IPs here. Choose to exclude devices based on the type of filters and the conditions as well as the values. Users can add exclusions or inclusions for IP addresses as needed. Moving on to network component filters, Infraon provides various network component filters available. These determine whether users conduct the discovery for interfaces or specific types of interfaces, sub-interfaces, or protocols like STP, BGP, OSPF, QoS, jitter, host monitoring systems, or IPsec. These types of monitoring are offered. By default, some options will be disabled. If the user or the admin wishes to discover information about a particular protocol, one can select it during the discovery process. Next, click on Next to proceed. Here users have options for immediate or scheduled discovery. Initially, let's select the Discover Now option and then click on Submit. Upon submission, a discovery job is created on the Discovery Job page. This job displays information like the switch and the IP for the agent to discover, which will be passed to the agent. Once the agent has completed the discovery, it will send the data back to Infraon Infinity. Users can then see the job has been completed and the device has been discovered. To check, click on the information icon. This will display an overview on Infraon, showing the device has been discovered, along with the 34 resources added and the time taken for the discovery process. Here users have the job information available for a particular switch discovery. Let's look at some basic operations. For instance, to perform a rescan, there is a rescan icon. By clicking on this icon, a discovery is initiated for the specified IP. Additionally, there is an audit page. By selecting the audit page, users can see a record of how many resources that has been discovered or updated if the device has previously been discovered. Now, let's navigate to the Asset page to view the device that has been discovered. Users can examine the type that has been identified and explore some basic information about the available ports on the device. This concludes the automatic discovery module in the Infraon Infinity suite.